Down at the cottage on Sunday. Not quite sure the date. February the 19th maybe. We had another big melt again, like a spring melt. Just seen 2 robins on the road coming down, believe it or not. Just come down to check on everything. Here's my little buddy. Hi bud, there you go. He's having a lunch there now. Love these peanuts, that fella do. Bud looks after the camp. Drives all the other squirrels away. Anyway, take it in on the beach now and see what happened down there after our little storm. Everything seems to be alright in the cabin. Here, a little bit of water. Must have came in through the window there somewhere. It was 120 kilometer winds and rain. We got like 35 mils of rain. All the ditches plugged up down the house. Water flowed around the house. So we had quite the going on. It's just like a spring thaw, spring melt. And as you can see down here, there's not much snow left. A little bit of ice on the road, on the main road. Come on, bud. Installed our little solar light there a while back. Light up the trail. And it looks like we got some more blowdowns out there. Never got a big lot of runoff here usually, because there's a notch up through there. It must have been a brook, ancient, way back in the day. This is where we're planning on grubbing off our land here. Get the machine down sometime, take a couple of them trees out. Probably have a little gazebo type thing here maybe. It's a beautiful day now on the Great Gander Lake. And let's go down and see what's going on down here. This is pretty much bank high water level. Like I say, it was probably 3 days ago when we got the storm. Oh my, look here. Wow. Look at that. Our picnic table hung on somehow. I guess the brook overflowed the banks again. Holy moly. One year we had that much water, it came down, actually ran, the brook is up here. The brook backed up and ran right underneath the cabin. I had a bag on insulation there and stored a lot of lumber in there. Anyway, flushed it all out into the lake. We had to clean up all the insulation and stuff, and quite going on. But this is unreal here. This is usually all beach. 4 feet of water there now. Man, oh man. Here's our barbecue pit. Holy. Lots of water now. I'd say it's after dropping down a nice bit. That's crazy. It usually walks through them cliffs, goes to the beach. got our bit of wood out just in time, I think. Can't recall ever having a winter like this. Remember back in '96. I can remember because I got a Bravo same year, a new Bravo Yamaha, and never had no snow at all that Christmas or that year. A little bit of few flurries and stuff. Anyway, I couldn't even use Skidoo the first year. But this is uncharacteristic for around here. Newfoundland. Our bobber is totally submerged for our mooring. And oh man, oh yeah, we got our little picnic site is pretty much destroyed. Crazy. Well, a lot of work here now with the chainsaw. Look at our swing. The wife is going to be upset. Our hammock and our swing is gone. That's the way the wind was, directly south. I guess it turned around southwest. Look at that. Man. That was beautiful in the summer because you come down here in the canopy and get into shade and totally uprooted everything. Never thought I'd see that. I guess we're going to have to get some get the machine down here too, plant them stumps. All them hauler stumps got to go. Oh, that's too bad. We're going to have to relocate our swing and our hammock. Crazy. I'll take them 2 birds out of it probably. They're leaning. Yeah. Global warming indeed. Anyway, we're going to go up around Bill's Mill now in a moment and see if anything is blowed down or damaged up there. Good time to get a few trout around their brook. Or char. Before they goes to the bottom. They'll go to the bottom now, the char will, as soon as the lake warms up. Wicked. A little bit of chaga. Anyway, I guess we'll leave it at that, and we got another project anyway to clean up the beach. Unreal. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing good. Thanks for watching, and we'll give you an update. We'll get our beach project cleaned up. Over and out.